Hello friends, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Standard 8 Maths Chapter 9 Discount and Commission Practice Set 9.1. First question. If mark price is equal to rupees 1700, selling price is equal to rupees 1540, then find the discount. Before we start these sums, let's understand something. See, if you go to buy any product from a shop, so shopkeeper gives you the product. For example, आपने एक chocolate लिया. There is mark price written, printed in chocolate wrapper. सो मार्क प्राइस में अगर 100 रुपीज़ है, ओके, सो शॉपकीपर आपको 100 रुपीज़ में ही बेचेगा वो सामान. बट इफ़ the shopkeeper sometime is your relatives or friend, he might sell you the same thing in 80 rupees. So that means you are getting discount of rupees 20. ओके, सो ये जो मार्क प्राइस है ना, ये आपको बताता है मार्क प्राइस से कंपेयर करते हुए सेलिंग प्राइस. ये आपको बताता है कि आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है या नहीं. अगर मार्क प्राइस से कम में, इफ़ यू गेट द प्रोडक्ट इन लेसर प्राइस देन मार्क प्राइस, दैट मीन्स यू हैव गेट द डिस्काउंट. लेट्स सी आवर फर्स्ट सम्स. या मार्क प्राइस इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 1700 and selling price is equal to rupees 1540. So as we can see, selling price is lesser than mark price. So that means we are getting some discount. So let's calculate how much discount we are getting. Discount is equals to marked price minus selling price. So mark price rupees 1700, selling price 1540. Use your rough column and show the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. Borrow from here. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 5 1 and 0. So you get discount of rupees 160. Let's see our second sums. If mark price rupees 990 and percentage of discount is 10, then find the selling price. So marked price equals to rupees 990 and percentage of discount. So you can write in short, percent discount equals to 10%. Okay, percent of discount is 10. They have not shown symbol over here, but they have written over here. So that means 10%. So you are getting 10% discount. So discount equals to 10%. So 10 and this symbol percent will come down as a 100. ये जो 10% होता है ना कोई भी नंबर के बाजू में, सो ये जो सिंबल है इट स्टैंड फॉर 100. सो वो उस नंबर के नीचे रहेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव 9%, सो इट विल बी 9 अपॉन 100. ओके, सो 10% ऑफ 990, इतने रुपए में 10% का डिस्काउंट मिला. तो लेट्स कैलकुलेट दिस 10, दिस 0, this and this. Our calculation is done. So 99 ones are 99. So this is the discount you are getting. So find the selling price. So that means selling price will be MP, marked price minus discount. So marked price 990 minus discount 99. Use your rough column and do subtraction. 10 minus 9, 1. Then borrow 18 minus 9, 9. Okay, so selling price is equal to rupees 891. Third sums, if selling price is equal to rupees 900, discount is 20%, then find the marked price. So, let's start. Selling price equals to rupees 900 and discount equals to 20%. That means 20% discount. So in marked price, we do not have marked price in this question. So we have to assume marked price. So let marked price be rupees 100. Then selling price SP equals to rupees 100 minus rupees 20. See what happened over here. हम assume कर रहे, we are assuming कि ये जो परसेंट है ना ये 100 है, this is 100. So अगर if mark price is 100, अगर मार्क प्राइस 100 है, सो उसमें ये 20% डिस्काउंट होगा तो सेलिंग प्राइस कितना होगा. सो 100 माइनस 20 इज इक्वल्स टू 80. सो दिस विल बी सेलिंग प्राइस व्हेन योर मार्क प्राइस इज 100. सो लेट मार्क्ड प्राइस बी एक्स. अभी हमारे पास मार्क प्राइस नहीं है ना, सो वी आर अज्यूमिंग एक्स. Then selling price be rupees 900. So now see, selling price 100 के सामने selling price 80 and x के सामने in front of x selling price is 900. So we'll do cross multiplication. Now this x we have to find out. So this x we will write here. So it's crossing to 80. So that 80 will come down and these two will multiply in top. See, don't get confused in this. बहुत से बच्चों को इसमें confusion होता है. Always you must see wherever you have to find out the value. For example यहाँ A, B and anything. ये अगर यहाँ होता तो आप वो लिखते और उसके सामने वाला जो भी है ना whatever was is in cross to that number that you have to write in bottom. And other two pair you have to write in top as a multiplication. So यहाँ पर x था वो x यहाँ लिया, उसके क्रॉस में जो 80 था वो नीचे गया और ये दो जोड़ी में है ना, सो इन जोड़ी को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. नाउ 0 and 0 कैंसल. Then if we further divide 4 2s are 8. See 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2 remaining. So it became 20. 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now this 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remaining. Then 2 5s are 10. So now your cancellation is done. You have to multiply these two. So use your rough column and do multiplication. 45 into 25. So 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8, 9. So 5, 2 and 11. So you get x equals to 125. So what is x? We assumed x as marked price. So the marked price is equals to rupees 1,125. Fourth sums, the marked price of the fan is 3,000 rupees. Shopkeeper gave 12% discount on it. Find the total discount and selling price of the fan. ओके तो एक फ़ैन का प्राइस 3,000 रुपीज़ था, उसमें शॉपकीपर 12% डिस्काउंट दे रहे, तो वो फ़ैन कितने में मिलेगा, मीन्स शॉपकीपर कितने में बेचेगा, डिस्काउंट कितना होगा. सो लेट्स सी, मार्क प्राइस इक्वल्स टू रुपीज़ 3,000 and see discount, percentage discount. So percentage discount, write this symbol in spelling, rupees 12%. So therefore first we'll find out discount. Discount equals to marked price into percentage discount. This is formula. Okay, so let's say marked price is 3,000 and percentage discount is 12%. So calculation 0 0. Here in denominator 2 0 and in numerator also 2 0. So we cancelled it directly. So now 1 left, that means our division is done. So multiply 30 by 12. So last digit 0, no? Directly take 0. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So this much is a discount. ये हमको discount मिला. We got discount. So what will be the selling price? So what will be the selling price? Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. So marked price is rupees 3,000 and discount is rupees 360. So use your rough column and do subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 is not possible. We'll borrow from here. Now here also there is 0. So borrow from here. 2, 1. So this will also get cancelled. 9, 1. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. And 2. So 2640. So you get selling price rupees 2640. So you have got your both the answer. Discount and selling price. Third question, fifth question. The marked price of a mixer is 2,300 rupees. A customer purchased it for rupees 1,955. Find percentage of discount offered to the customer. So let's see how to solve this sums. First, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, मार्क प्राइस दिया हुआ है. So we'll write first that mark price. So mark price of mixer is rupees whatever is given we will note down that first. And then कस्टमर ने परचेज किया मीन्स खरीदा, सो दैट मीन्स शॉपकीपर ने उसको बेचा इतने से प्राइस में, सो दैट इज सेलिंग प्राइस. दे हैव आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन इन ट्विस्टेड फॉर्म. उन्होंने बोला कि कस्टमर ने खरीद लिया, उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला कि शॉपकीपर ने बेचा. तो अगर कस्टमर ने खरीदा मतलब शॉपकीपर ने इतने में बेचा ना. शॉपकीपर हैज सेल इन दिस प्राइस, so this is selling price for shopkeeper. Okay, so 1955. Now here we have mark price and selling price. We can see that selling price is lesser than mark price. That means the person has got discount. So let's calculate the discount. So discount is equals to MP minus SP. So MP is 2300 minus SP is 1955. Use your rough column and do the subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 9, 3 and 0. So 345. 345 rupees is discount. This is discount. So now we have to, what they have asked, find percentage of discount offered to the customer. कितना परसेंट डिस्काउंट मिला कस्टमर को. So we will say let percentage of discount be X for marked price rupees 100. Okay, and परसेंटेज ऑफ डिस्काउंट जो एक्चुअल में मिला है, डिस्काउंट वी हैव रिसीव दिस मच रुपीज़ 345 ऑन मार्क्ड प्राइस रुपीज़, मार्क प्राइस कितना था 2300. सो देयरफॉर X upon 100, okay, this X upon 100 is equals to discount upon marked price. So therefore X upon 100 is equals to discount is 345 upon 2300. So again we have to find value of x, no? So जहाँ पे भी x है वो x will write first और उसके क्रॉस में जो रहता है वो जाता है डिनोमिनेटर में. And this pair it comes in numerator. So now we'll do the cancellation. 0, 0. See 2 0 in denominator and numerator will cancel directly. Now this 23. So 23. Let's see directly in 23's table. 3 4 5. 23. 23 ones are 23. 4 minus 3 1. 3 minus 2 1 and this 5. 23 5s are 115 0. So that means your answer 23 ones and 15s are, your answer is 15% discount. So discount offer to the customer is 15%. Percentage discount offered to the customer is 15%. A shopkeeper gives 11% discount on a television set. Hence, the cost price of it is rupees 22,250. Then find the marked price of the television set. Now what happened? A shopkeeper is selling a television. He is offering 11% discount. दुकानदार ने ना टीवी के ऊपर 11% डिस्काउंट दिया. सो डिस्काउंट देने के बाद का प्राइस है ये. यहाँ पे कॉस्ट प्राइस लिखा है ना, मीन्स वो एक किसी कस्टमर को ये डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट करने के बाद इतने में बेच रहा है. तो ऑलरेडी टीवी में मार्क प्राइस कितना है वो बताने बोल रहे. सो दिस इज समवेयर एसपी, दिस इज योर सेलिंग प्राइस एंड दिस इज योर डिस्काउंट रेट. So we have to find out mark price. Let's see how we will find out. So first mention percent discount. So percent discount is 11%, as we can see, and SP is this much. ओके यहाँ पे कहीं पे एस पे लिखा नहीं है, उन्होंने लिखा है कॉस्ट प्राइस. ओके, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. कॉस्ट प्राइस का मतलब यही हुआ, उसने कैलकुलेट डिस्काउंट करके लिखा है यहाँ पे. देन नाउ अगेन इन एक्स पैटर्न वी विल गो. लेट द मार्क्स प्राइस भी 100 एंड सेलिंग प्राइस भी ये माइनस करेंगे. सो लेट द MP बी marked price be 100, then selling price I'm writing in short, selling price be 100 minus ये जो 11% discount है that. So 100 minus 11 is equals to 89. But now we do not have original MP, so let the MP be X. So then SP be 22,250. So we'll do our calculation. When SP is 89, selling price is rupees 100. And when SP is 22,250, selling price is X. So do this pattern. That means this X will be here and 89 will be here. And this pair will be in multiplication form in numerator. So now calculation. Now this 89 is odd number. So you have to divide this number by 80 now. So nobody knows table of 89 by heart. So make table orally at least up to 5. So 89 ones are. You have learned this in 6th standard. 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 17. 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 8s are 24, 25, 26. 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 8s are 32 and 4, 36. 5 9s are, sorry, your mistake. 4 9s are 36 and 3 carry. 4 8s are 32, 32 and 3, 35. And then 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 8s are 40 and 44. So now what we will do, we will divide this. See 89, you can see 89 twos are, see threes are we cannot take because it is 267. So twos are 89 twos are 178. Then after subtraction 4 and 21 minus 17 4, and this 5 will come down, so 445. You have this 5s are, so 89 5s are 445, you get 0, and this 0 which is left will come here, so that means 89 1s are and 89 250s are. Okay, so after multiplying, final answer 1 2 3, this 30 will be at the back side, and 25 ones are 25. So this is your answer. So that means marked price of television is rupees 25,000. Seventh sums. After offering discount of 10% on marked price, a customer gets total discount of 17 rupees. To find the cost price for the customer, fill in the following boxes with appropriate number and complete the activity. See, activity is given. Let's see how to solve this activity. So, suppose marked price of the item is 100. जो प्राइस लिखा होगा ना आइटम का वो 100, वो अज्यूम करने बोल रहे, मानने बोल रहे. सो अगर मार्क प्राइस 100 हुआ और हमको डिस्काउंट कितना दिया जा रहा है, हाउ मच डिस्काउंट दे आर ऑफरिंग अस 10%. परसेंट मीन्स 100 एंड दिस इज 10, यानी 100 के सामने 10 रुपीज़ का डिस्काउंट. सो यू आर गेटिंग 10 rupees discount in front of 100. So 100 minus 10, 90. Then further. Hence, when the discount is 10, then the selling price is rupees 90. जब 10 रुपये का छूट दिया तो वो प्रोडक्ट कितने में मिलेगा, 90 रुपीज़ में. Now further. Suppose when the discount is, so शुरू में क्या बोला गया था इन क्वेश्चन, दैट द कस्टमर इज गेटिंग डिस्काउंट ऑफ रुपीज़ 17. सो विल अज्यूम दैट इफ द कस्टमर इज गेटिंग डिस्काउंट ऑफ रुपीज़ 17, सो x अपॉन 17 इज इक्वल्स टू 90 अपॉन 10. जब मार्क प्राइस x होगा सो डिस्काउंट 17, सॉरी सेलिंग प्राइस x होगा तो डिस्काउंट 17, सेलिंग प्राइस 90 होगा तो डिस्काउंट 10. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो 17 इंटू 90 अपॉन 10. 0 and 0 cancel. So 7 9s are 63. 6 carry. 9 1s are 9 plus 6, 15. So the customer will get the item for rupees 153. A shopkeeper decided to sell a certain item at a certain price. He taxed the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25%. While selling the item, he offers 20% discount. Find how many more or less percent he gets on the decided price. So let the decided price be rupees 100. समझो वो 100 रुपीज़ में बेच रहा है. सो नाउ व्हाट ही डिड, 25% ऑफ 100. वो क्या कर रहा है, 100 में 25% इंक्रीज कर रहा है. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट 25% ना ऑफ 100. ओके, 25%, तो 25% ऑफ हो गया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन 100. सो 0 0 कैंसल, दिस इज 25. ओके, सो अभी वो प्राइस टैग कितने का लगाएगा, ये 25 100 में ऐड करके लगाएगा, यानी अपने प्रोडक्ट को 25 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा लगा के बेचेगा। तो 25 प्राइस टैग विल बी 100 plus 25, that is rupees 125. Okay. Now while selling, this is the amount what he decided. Now while selling, he is offering discount of 20% to the customer. So discount इसके ऊपर वो 20% डिस्काउंट. सो प्राइस on tag into percent discount. So 125 रुपीज़ उसने बनाया था और उसमें वो 20% डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं. So 0 and 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. So finally you get answer 25. So ये 25 रुपीज़ कस्टमर के लिए डिस्काउंट हो रहा है. सो सेलिंग प्राइस कितना हुआ जब वो कस्टमर को व्हेन ही विल सेल द प्रोडक्ट टू द कस्टमर. सो व्हाट विल बी द सेलिंग प्राइस. जो प्राइस टैग किया था, प्राइस ऑन टैग माइनस डिस्काउंट. सो उसने टैग में 125 रुपीज़ लगाया था. ही प्रिंटेड टैग विथ 125 एंड डिस्काउंट इज 25. सो सेलिंग प्राइस इज रुपीज़ 100. नाउ सी, कॉस्ट प्राइस भी 100 था, सेलिंग प्राइस भी 100. सो ही रिसीव्ड नाइदर प्रॉफिट नॉर लॉस. ना तो उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ ना तो लॉस. प्रॉफिट डिसाइडेड. ओके, सो प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू डिसाइडेड प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. सो डिसाइडेड प्राइस was 100 and selling price is also 100. So 0. So he's not getting any kind of profit.